Today we are covering var, let, and const in JavaScript, essential for any project. Now let's talk about variables in JavaScript. We need to understand how to declare them. Watch what happens when we don't use the right keyword. Here's where most people get confused. Did you notice that JavaScript has different ways to declare variables? Now let me show you the core idea. Think of var, let, and const like three different contracts. Let's define it simply. Var, let, and const are used to declare variables, with var being function scoped, let being block scoped, and const being block scoped and immutable. So first we have a simple script. Let's walk through this together. We declare a variable with let, then we change its value. Now we are using const, and we can't change its value. So we have let x is equal to 10, then we change it to x is equal to 20, and this last line shows an error for const. And here's a realistic example from a project. Now let's say we are working with a loop, and we need to declare a variable inside it. We use let for the loop counter, and const for an immutable value. So we have for, let I is equal to 0, I 10, I++, const max value is equal to 100. Here's where most people get confused. Watch what happens when we use var in a loop. Now let me show you the fix. Did you notice that we can use let instead of var to avoid this issue? So we have for, var I is equal to 0, I 10, I++, console.log, I, and the fix is to use let. Thanks for watching. Try using let and const in your next project, and subscribe to Akshay for more.